Hi guys, Jenny from On Fire Fit, and it is mini zone cleaning in the kitchen, and today is fridge and freezer. And I am quickly scanning through, hoping you won't notice the things that are not particularly healthy. I don't eat all this stuff. Some of it is for my family, and I do allow a little ice cream, and I don't drink orange juice, but they'll have a little here and there. So my before and after, as you will see as I quickly go through here. And I pre-cut up a bunch of vegetables so that we can just grab and go, and that always makes me feel good. And cleaned out even those little side containers. There's my freezer. It has various frozen things for my smoothies and meat and things like that, ready for any kind of meal I might prepare, but I do need to go shopping. So if you keep good food in the fridge, guess what? You're going to eat good food. God bless. Have a great day. Please subscribe or follow.